Hi, this is Christopher Spera from iTechGear.org, and I've got yet another unboxing from the Gadget Discovery Club. All right, this is the third box that I've received from Gadget Discovery Club, and so far it's really been nothing more than some very disappointing boxes from what I would call nothing more than a marketing ploy by the Rise company to market out all of their stuff. I was really hoping to see some other stuff from other vendors other than just Rise, but today we'll see what's going on with this. It's obviously a little bit of a bigger box. I'm not exactly certain what is in here, but I'm hoping that this month there'll be something that's at least interesting here. All right. Something that I might be able to use or enjoy or have fun with, because so far the first two, number one being a Bluetooth speaker the size of about a golf ball, and then a carbon fiber wallet that I will never ever use. We'll see. I obviously haven't even done anything with this. It's been sitting here for a couple of days while I've been running through some preparation for an IT certification test that I passed. Yay me. But now let's go ahead and take a look and see what they've sent. The nice thing about Gadget Discovery Club is that it's completely... I have no idea what they're going to send. All right, they just kind of send, and I just kind of receive. So we'll see what we've got here. Like I said, I have no idea what it might be. And the way that they've got this thing sort of... There's a start. The way that they've got this thing sort of folded together and sealed, it's not the easiest thing to get into, but let's see what we can do here. So, all right. And here we go. All right. So, oh, interesting. Dimension VR virtual reality headset. So, this will be interesting. It is apparently compatible with any smartphone. Again, according to the back of the box. Eye protected light HD lenses for unparalleled clarity, comparable to IMAX, adjustable focus. So even if you've got glasses issues or eyesight related issues, you should be able to focus this. Ergonomic design, 80-degree field of view. Stand at the summit of Mount Everest and look like you're there. Okay. Access tons of VR content. Explore a universe of alternate realities. The box includes the headset and a user guide with a 1-year warranty. So let's take a look and see what we've got. Don't know who exactly makes this because it doesn't exactly say. Maybe it'll be on the documentation in the box. So we get user manual and the headset with microfiber cleaning cloth. The box is empty. We'll put it back over there. We'll see how this goes. Oh wow, this is big. All right. So I'm not exactly certain how to get this thing apart. All right. Let's take a look here. So on the inside, all right, you've got, now these are covered with some sort of a film, all right, that you can go ahead and take off. This is all plastic and padded. Focus button here on the side. Let's take a look at the documentation real quick and see what it says to do and where you might insert your smartphone. All right. And speaking of eyesight related issues, let's take a look here. All right. All right. It says download a VR app. Enter the relevant operating system's App Store. Search for a highly rated VR application and download it onto your smartphone, as shown in Figure A. Ensure that the VR app supports left and right split screen as required for all VR-enabled applications, as shown in Figure B, and a full screen mode. For recommendations on which app to download, see Section 5. All right. Adjusting. It's compatible with different smartphone screen sizes. So this apparently works within Zombie Shooter VR, VR Sniper, Expeditions, Netflix VR, and GoPro VR. All right, and that's about it. All right. This should allow you. It's supposed to pull down from the top. All right. So you have to take this and unscrew it all the way out. All right. And then when you do that, there's a notch here for you to go ahead and release this. Now there's a suction cup related something or other here for you to go ahead and take your smartphone, all right, and stick it in the app. Now I don't know if this is going to work with any kind of a case that you've got, all right, or not. It should. Okay. And then you go ahead and you close it back up, and we'll see how well that goes. Alright. There we go. So it will work with the case, or at least it does look like it will work with the case. And then you've got your app on there, and you go ahead and you use it. And I'm going to look like a dork, bigger dork than with the glasses, with this on very quickly. There doesn't seem to be any kind of adjustments that are able to happen with this. So let's see how this works. All right. And yeah. So usually there's some level of something or other out here for a camera that's supposed to work with your camera. That's with augmented reality. So this is just a VR headset, so a virtual reality. So it doesn't necessarily work with your camera. Obviously, there's nothing out here to go ahead and put the camera in, but it does say that you should be able to gently tilt your head back and forth and work with it. Anyway, I'm going to play with this and see how things go. I don't know how well it's going to work. I'm going to probably try it with the Netflix VR or maybe even the GoPro VR related software. I'm not real big into games and never really have been. I'm more of a productivity guy. So we'll see how that goes, but it's also supposed to be the kind of thing that should work with, like I said, Netflix VR. So for movies and whatnot might be kind of interesting. Anything that's relevant or interesting, I'll go ahead and throw an update into this particular post as far as the experience is concerned. But other than that, this is Christopher Spera for iTechGear.org with the Dimension VR headset.